I want to thank you for attending the webinar today. I want to give a big shout out and trade out to the sponsors and the hosts for inviting me to speak about day trading. And let's get into the webinar. And you should be able to share my screen. My voice should be coming in perfectly. And here we go. Mojo day trading. Anyone can be a stock trader. My Mojo day trading system. I have my Mojo University, my logo left, my logo middle, Mojo day trading, and I also have a swing trading service for overnights that specialize in small caps and get sent out in a newsletter. So let's go. Start your own day trading business. The topic today is day trading, my specialty for 30 years. You're going to want to take some notes. Today, grab a fresh piece of paper and a pen. You're going to trade with Mike. You're going to learn his system. You're going to trade his system. You keep the profits. And Mike's a great trader. I've seen his videos. What is day trading? Day trading, the simple definition, is buying and selling stocks throughout the day and closing all positions in a cash position by the close of each trading day. So you want to step aboard when the market opens, do your trades. When the market closes, you're all done. That's day trading. They could be sold into the surge and properly maximized. Traders that trade in and out throughout the entire day usually end up over trading and are not able to recognize the power of what I call the Mojo wave theory. Day traders try to take advantage of price fluctuations that occur throughout a trading session by buying stocks at lower prices and selling them at higher prices. Day traders normally take positions that are both long and short, and even both long and short positions on the same day. Day trading is entirely speculative, not based on any fundamental analysis, and an understanding of how various factors affect the price of a stock is vital in day trading. Now, 9 out of 10 day traders fail. Did you know that? Really? If you answer yes, that you have the lack of knowledge of any of these, all you're doing is really learning on your money. The tuition costs of day trading when you start are brutal. Your first step is right here to take the Mojo Day Trading Challenge, reach profit targets, have your performance evaluated for the opportunity to trade a real money account. But first you want to step up and you want to practice and demo trade, because your lack of knowledge, the firm you're with is going to trade against you. They're going to see your positions. They're going to go against you. It's a huge conflict of interest. And it says it right there in the paperwork that you're signing with the firm, that they could pretty much do whatever they want with you, for you, and against you. The lack of knowledge of how market makers can fake you out. Some of the other people and traders you see out there, when they see the big number in the level 2, some people think a big bid is a bullish opportunity and a large ask is where you want to sell. Well, I teach it maybe differently. A lot of people have their own methodologies. I teach it the way I do. And these market makers fake you out. The lack of knowledge on how buying power works, the lack of knowledge on how to manage your share size, the lack of knowledge on how to scale in and out of trades, the lack of knowledge on any real trading system, journaling your trades, recording your trades, handling bad situations, and really the lack of knowledge about stop blowing up your account. Once you learn this, it gets a lot easier. Anyone can become a pro trader. In the webinar, I'm going to show you how anyone with a desire and some capital can learn my trading system, become a consistent, profitable trader. The Mojo Live class I'm teaching in September on the 1st on Tuesday is 8 hours total, 4 classes, 2 hours each. We're going to be spending from 8 to 10 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday night, fast tracking your success. I'll teach you everything I know. You'll get started making real money as quickly as possible. Whether you're a beginner trader with no experience or an advanced trader with poor consistency, my trading system will change your life and work wonders for you. Do you need someone to supply you with a trading plan? Mojo's for you. Do you need someone to tell you when to stop for the day, hold you accountable, Mojo's for you also. If you stay to the end, not going to be long, a lot of edutainment, some little education, a lot of education, little entertainment. You're going to learn the Mojo system, become a profitable trader. You're going to get a free copy of my best-selling video, How to Trade Level 2, $500 in educational bonuses, all at the end worth $545. The ProTrader Bootcamp, which I have on September 1st, is $14.97. It's a live class. And at the end, you're going to get a special deal on that. The live class dates, write them down, September 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th from 8 to 10 p.m. If you miss the class, they will be recorded. So we start off basically with your outcome goal. Now, if you're a small trader, just starting off, $1, $2, $3, $4, or $500 a day is a beautiful start. Average should be around that sweet spot, $500 a day, $400 a day. You're making $100,000 a year. Once you're in this game for a year, 2 years, you could step it up, $1,000 to $3,000 a day. Once you get into the $4,000 a day range, you're at almost $1 million a year. So set yours now. Write down on your paper what you want to do and how much you want to make for your outcome goal. My volume was down. There we go. I fixed it. So write down there on your paper how much you want to make for your outcome goal. I could see my volume things going down. There's a setting in Zoom that controls the mic levels. But I can't find it right now, so I'll just keep it up there like it's 73. So write your outcome goal down, and we'll show you how to complete that outcome goal. Do you need some capital to trade with? Right here, TradeX platform. Once you get started and you go through the course with a $1,000 minimum account, you could trade firm capital and get leverage, and you could trade in and out all day long with no PDT rule. It's called the TradeX platform. And how you make $5,000 per month or more. This is the minimum, $60,000 a year. Let's do some math. Grab your pen and paper. Let's write it down. 20 days to trade every single month, Monday through Friday. We start at 9:30. We end at 4 o'clock. That's the trading day, and we like to hit our goals as quickly as possible. So 20 days to trade, 3 days a month, you're going to lose. You could trade with any platform you want. This is for traders that don't have $25,000 or more. You actually need like $30,000, $50,000, and $100,000 to trade with. Where are you going to get that money? If you don't have it, you need it from the firm. How are you going to get it from the firm? You have to take Mojo University course. Once you take the course, they know you know how to trade. They want to supply you with firm capital. So 3 days of the month you're going to lose. And let's lose a lot. The firm will automatically stop you for the day if you lose $1,000. So anybody, no matter what, even if you're not monitored by the firm, you should monitor your own account. You should stop yourself at $1,000. If you lose the first, second, third, and fourth trade every single time, you pretty much suck. You're done for the day. I don't know how that happens, but you should win on the first trade, lose on the second, maybe win on the third. But each day you should be hitting your daily goal. My Heinz system is very, very highly very high win rate. So once I show you that, you'll see how it's easy to win 17 days out of the month. 17 days of profit, averaging half of what you lose. Most people will make $1,000 a day. Let's be under-promising and over-delivering. You make $500 a day. That's $8,500 a month for 17 days. minus $3,000 is $5,000 for the month, $60,000 for the year. Simple. It's all math. You want to make $1,000 a day? $1,000 a day? Go ahead. That's $16,000 for the month, minus $3,000 in losses is $13,000. You're making bank, dude. You're making $160,000 a year. That's beautiful. That's the American dream. And you do it in 60 minutes a day. We do it right here in the Mojo day trading room. I'm going to share my screen with you now, and I'm going to show you the room. Right here. Here's the Mojo day trade room. Right here in the middle, nobody is presenting at this time, but this is where I do the screen share. And right here on the left are the alerts. So I gave out my swing pick, which we had since August 3rd. That swing pick was at 55 cents. And today already made $4,000 day trading it. On the day trade side, on the first trade, I wound up making $20,000 total on that for the day. We traded Kazia, KZIA, to go through $7. OPGN, Kodak, Dust at 18. Apple shorting it into 467. UVXY into 21. Apple, we're up 50 cents. Cover up some. There's all the signals in the Mojo day trade room. Dust right here. Anti. We did the poll today. 47% of the traders made real money. My microphone levels, I got to keep on my finger on the buttons. Damn annoying. Real profit 47%, loss 3%, demo profit 13, demo loss 19. So we have demo traders and real traders in the room, and observing and watching 19. We did a new trade on Apple right there, shorting it into 469. Then we were up 60 cents on that one. Givo was at $1.42. Givo went to $2 today. We said, wow, at 170, it went to 185. And then the last trade I just did was a new trade at 2:48 p.m. So if you're in my Mojo day trading room right there, you shorted Apple at 470.50, risking 50 cents, covering part one at 469.80. 469.80, and that was just a couple of momentos ago. So if we look right here, and we go into Apple, this is the level 2, which we're trading off of right now. Apple right here is on that. So let me go back to this slideshow. All right, let me just make sure I'm sharing the right thing. So that's the Mojo day trading chat room. Zoom stinks. Really does. It really, really does. All right. Zoom, I don't know if you see a line across the top, but I don't use Zoom because the real-time flicker. If you use other resources on your computer, it flickers. But it is what it is. I've been day trading for 30 years, folks. It took me 3 years just to learn this. I blew up a shitload of accounts and lost a shitload of money learning this. Fausto and the other guys actually told you the opposite. They actually told you the opposite. A big ask is bullish and a big bid is bearish. If you want to be 80% accurate on your trades, you got to follow these 2 basic rules. Number 1, the trend is your friend. If the stock's going higher and there's a big old number there, it's going to continue to go through it. And the bigger the number is on the ask, the seller, the higher it's going to go. On the bid, the bigger the number is, the bigger the buyer, the lower it's going to go. Look, the stock went from 201 to 178. The stock went from 239 by 40 with a large ask at 241. It went right to 251 from 947 to 953. It's called understanding the level two. It's old school trading. It's the quotes are called in the montage. The left side, I think I have my pen. The left side right here is the bid, 472. There's 108. That's 10,800 shares on the bid. By the ask of 473 with 39,500 on the ask, sorted from highest to lowest. It's in the yellow because they're all booked in the same price, 473, 472. It shows the bid and ask. The bid's the left, the ask is the right. It shows supply and demand, who wants to sell some on the ask, who wants to buy some on the bid, and the signals for which direction it's going to go. Which way is this one going? You see it? It's 39.06 on the bid by 39.11 on the ask. And you look at it, it just came from 36, was high of 40, and you're like, damn, I like that one. Normal people would say, if I buy, look at all the bid, there's 26,000 on the bid. So if I buy 39.11, I'll sell it higher. And if I'm wrong, I'll just lose 6 cents. And it's 10:50 in the morning. Well, now it's 11 in the morning. And you're kind of right. You just bought 11 and now it went to 20. So you're like, cool, dude. I bought 1,000 shares at 39.11 for $39,100. And I'm up $90 and it's 11 o'clock and 26 seconds. Well, you forgot about the big bid. Now it's 11:01 and you're down a lot of money from 39.11 to 38.83 in just a minute. Why? Because you didn't see the big bid right here at 39.05 and he got hit. As soon as it moved here, look, you can't see him anymore because the bids moved, but he's still sitting at 39.05. And then boom, 1 minute later, here you're buying. And then you'd be selling it back where you thought it was going higher at 39.11. And that's what in the last webinar, everyone's, oh yeah, it ran without me. It did this and it did, because you don't know how to read the level 2 and the signals. There is no level 3 and level 4, guys. It's a bunch of bullshit. I've been trading for 30 years. No retail trader in his organization or this has level 3 or level 4. There is, there's dark pools. You can see dark pool trading, but there's just the regular bid and ask. Okay. So as a special bonus, I'm going to give you my best-selling video for the last 7 years, yours for free today. I'll give it to you. $99. It's yours for free. My level 2 video. It's my best-selling video out of everything. So write that down and give you $99 value add today on my level 2 video. I don't use the direct. If you see on the level 2, let's say along the ladder where you see the guy is, let's say where my laser pointer is on the level 2. This is 13 where his eyes are, and where his feet is 1270, and 13 has a huge signal. So if I bought it in anticipation of going through, don't you think it would make 3 huge red bar, three huge green bars higher? And I knew that before it even happened, because I use my pillars, my discipline, my math, my scaling, my buying power, and my patience. I teach you all that in the course. I get you to 95% accuracy on all your trades. I'm going to teach you a system that's based on positive expectancy. Every time the trade sets up, it'll work. My challenge would be to show me one that doesn't work. I haven't had one in years. You won't either. It's a computer algorithm glitch that I figured out in the market. It's based on positive expectancy. You're going to get a system that includes journaling and record keeping. You're going to trade like a businessman and not a trader. You're going to trade only stocks that are in favor, green and big, and trading millions of shares like Gevo today, or Apple when it's up, or Facebook, or Uber, or Roku, or Twitter, or whatever is hot, green, and moving for the day. You're going to apply the 5 pillars. You're going to look at the level 2 and focus your eyes on where the biggest number of shares are on the bid or the ask. And you're going to work on your speed, because once you see it, it's first come, first serve. This is my trading station. I got my monitors, got my keyboard, my everything, babes. I'll show you how to set up in the Mojo University live class on September. I'll show you how to set up your trade station, whether it's dual monitors and a desktop or a laptop. Some of my other traders, they send me pictures of their trading stations. The recommended specs for your computer. I got a badass computer with Mojo day trading right there engraved on the glass. 2 graphics cards, liquid cooled, terabytes of storage, crazy RAM, crazy hard drive. Everything's great with the computer, and you got to have a lot of coffee with trading, but you also need some good internet speed. So you take a speed test. You make sure your data's coming in, upload, download real fast. If not, you get that upgraded, and then you're all set to be a super duper day trader, man. Here's some of my traders back in 2014. 6 years ago, guys made $1 million, 72,000 away. Been with Mike for 8 weeks, traded 7 of the 8 for a profit of 143,000. I'm a smaller trader, 20,920 year to date. Man, my voice must be coming terrible. The level on the volume, I don't know if I can, was like 20. Nightmare with that recording level. ProTrader Allen, 2 years and 1 month, hasn't lost on a trade. 500 days in a row, 7 years. Oh, 7, I don't know what that is. He took Mojo University 7 times, and he's going to take it again in 2017. So he traded for 3 years, 235 days, is 705 days in a row without a losing day using the Mojo system. Proof that traders are with me since 2014 in the room. This guy's in the room right now, ProTrader Bohan. Master Bohan. Let's see if he's here. Here he is, right there. Master ProTrader Bohan right here. So he's with me right there in the room. He signed up with me right here. He started his subscription on June 30th of 2014. Okay? He pays $99 a month. And that's it. He's enjoyed every minute. He's been with me for a long, lot of traders been with me for a long time. So guys, the one thing you're going to do with me is journal. You're going to get a journal. You're going to learn from your experiences. You're going to break the cycle of small gains and big losses. I'm going to teach you how to ride out profits so you make freaking good money. Teach you how to be your own teacher and a better trader. You're going to journal every month. You're going to have like a book of all your notes, how you traded good, why you traded good, why you traded bad, how you traded bad, everything. It's your diary. Then you're going to fill out these day trading logs. Every day, you're going to write out at the top the date, the money you started with, the rules. You're going to watch your stocks here that you got the high, the low on, and the current price, and you're going to record all your trades. And at the end of the day, you're going to send that to me, and we're going to review that, and I'm going to mentor and help and mold you into a good trader by you sending me these trade logs every day. You're going to keep a daily trade log tracker every day. Keep track. Say my goal in 20 days is 10 G's. I made actually 18. Was I profitable? What notes did I do? How did I trade? And so forth. And in this Mojo course, these tools are in the toolbox. You're going to get that as a bonus for $297. $297. So write that down. You get the Mojo toolbox. I give you that for $297, free. So if you want to be successful, folks, find someone who's already achieved the results you want and just copy them. That's all. And you'll do the same kind of results. Just copy them. Flex your brain, Tony G. So my Heinz trade, guys. So a lot of people have taken my course. A lot of people say I'm trading through the even number. I'm trading through this 50-cent half dollar mark. They figured that all out, and they do that all the time because they've taken my course. It wins at 100% win rate. I've never seen one lose. If I did, I'd say it would win at 99.9, but I'll just tell you it wins at 90% accuracy because people screw it up somehow, one way or another. It's a trade play that when a stock approaches 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, and 90 cents, doesn't matter what the chart's doing. It doesn't matter what anything is doing as far as technicals. Momentum takes over and the stock goes through the whole number. 4, 33, 15, 8, 7, doesn't make a difference. The bigger the number, the higher it goes. Here's an example. It's Heinz trade. It's 7/18 of 2017. Doesn't matter what the date is, what it is. It just keeps on working every time. UVXY at 32.98. The biggest number in the level 2 is it's 33.05 right here on the right, and there's a big bid right there. There is a 19 right there. And then you got 16 right here, 33, 16, 17, and 18. There's some big signals right there, and then it blasts right through. How does the Mojo profit system work? We use the profit system. Heinz is a business. Any other trade you do but that even number trade is fun. It's kind of gambling. You buy low, you sell high for a profit, and you end your day in a cash position. You buy under the even number and sell through it. It's that simple. Picked at 3, sold at 4. We were able to ride this one the whole way up. How? Because I teach you how to maximize the trades in the course. Once you buy the stock, we have this line here called the stochastics, and it rises up. And as it's working, it stays above this pink line, which is the 80% range on that stochastic indicator. As long as the stock stays above that 80%, it'll continue to go until it breaks under that. That'll help you maximize the gains for a really excellent profit. I teach you that too in the course. It's really easy. Before you start to trade your real money, you should paper trade. Learn the scaling sequences and methodology in the course and prove your profitability to yourself with consistency. It's the worst, man, when the people you're playing golf with play good and you play like crap. The people you're trading with all are winning and you're losing. Dude, it gives you the worst feeling in your mouth. You feel like you can't even do it. It's the worst. You're making stupid mistakes. So you got to paper trade on the simulator. And you do this thing called the demo challenge. You trade for 20 days, a month in a paper trading account according to the account parameters, just like you would trade for real. If you're trading 60 grand for real, you trade 60 grand in the demo. Hit your daily goal, trade profitably for 2 weeks, and then you can trade live. This is the, hold on a second. All righty, this is the day trading simulator, guys. Yeah, it's a paper trading platform. You're going to practice without risking your real money. You're going to start with 60,000 in buying power, just as if you were trading live. You have a trade manager to monitor your trades. Right in here, real-time NASDAQ level 2, advanced charting, everything that you need. It's the same platform that I trade on. We'll be riding together, trading together, making the same trades, making the same percentages of profits, and that's what we do. You're going to get my layout. It's a $60,000 demo account with 1 month of coaching. So I'm going to coach you, and I'm going to give you my same layout, the same build that I have, where you have on the left the different stocks that you're watching, what's hot for the day, and what your main core watch list is. The level 2, your trade manager, and the chart. It's all you need. And it's going to be included free with the toolbox. That's in the toolbox when you get signed up and you're trading with me. So write that down. You're going to get the demo, my layout, and the coaching. I'm going to coach you for a month. If you need support, I'll get on your computer with TeamViewer, and I'll log into your account, log into your computer, and I'll get you all set up if you can't figure it out. I do every day 2 videos which show the morning watch lists and on YouTube, and the afternoon recap. So I invite everyone to check me out on YouTube. I've done over 2,000 videos on YouTube of trading. If you haven't seen me before, definitely check me out there. The boot camp is $397. That's the cost for the boot camp. I've already have 80% of the people already signed up. It's for existing members and new members. So what you get for the $397, you're going to get the live day trading class taught by me, which is worth $14.97. I'm giving it to you for $3. You're going to get the level 2 video, the toolbox, and the simulator of the coaching, $2,042 worth of real world value for $397. It's the 4-day ProTrader Bootcamp. It starts on September 1st, Tuesday at 8 p.m. in my Mojo Day Trading chat room. If you want to check out the chat room, in the meantime, you can sign up for a 5-day trial. It's $5, $1 a day. It gives you, it's not a subscription. It's a one-time $5. You can check out the chat room and trade with me for 5 days and get a little feel for it there and go from there if you want. So in the chat window, not in my YouTube description below, but this will be in YouTube. On the Mojo Day Trading website, go to Bootcamp and Chat Room, and then you'll be able to sign up and check out the 2 offers. Bootcamp has the $397, and the Chat Room has the $5. And that's it, guys. That's my email, info@mojodaytrading.com, and that's what I do. So here's the room. It's where I spend my time. It's my sanctuary. And let's see if I could start some screen share there. And I can, and I start the screen share. So right here, boom. It's not coming on because I'm already sharing. So I'm going to leave the room. Okay, done. And that's how it works, folks. So I'd love to trade along with you. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, that's it. I've been trading for 30 years. I know how to trade. I do a specific way, different from everybody else. If you like it, we'll trade together forever. If you don't like it, you'll try it and leave. I have 2 kinds of traders in my room, a master pro trader and a pro trader and a trader. The trader has been there for the 5-day trial. The pro trader has been with me from 1 day to 3 years. And the master pro trader is with me for 5 years and longer. And I have over 20 master pro traders. I'd love for you to be the next one. How do I have 20 millionaires in the Mojo Day Trade Room? 20. How? How? Because my system works. My system works. And if you want to sign up, you will. If you don't, I wish you the best of luck. Thank you so much, David. Your webinar, spectacular. I'll speak about swing trading in the Ken Slim system later on in the week on the others. I'll speak about some of my favorite technical indicators, and there are some like the stochastics, which I use to stay in a stock longer. And just really, there's thousands and thousands of buttons and whistles, but you don't need them all in order to be amazing at what you do. You only got to master a few, and I'll help you guys decipher and become masters of the game yourself. So thanks again, everybody, for attending. Thanks, David, and all you other guys. The guys are going to be presenting next. Good luck, and I'll be listening to you. And keep it profitable and keep it in the fairway, everybody. Peace. ProTrader Mike.